You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
Welcome back to the Christmas Light Academy. We are in permanent LED trim light training. This is a beginner's guide, all right? So this is gonna cover all different types of things around the industry as far as the major brands, how-tos, things like that, all in a general form for you as a new employee to be able to understand the industry and what you're coming into, all right? Now, after this program, your company will probably put you through a more in-depth brand-related training, which will give you all the exact specs and details of the product that you're going to be installing. So remember, this is a general overview of a lot of different companies, all kind of combined into one program to give you some insight on what's to come. All right, guys? So I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next module.